At richnotohomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than richnotohomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to richnotohomes.com.
Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and Notary Public, your construction trained realtor. And check out the video at the end for more information about why it's so important to have a realtor on your side that has construction training. And that's one of the things of many things that separates me from all the other realtors. Most of them do not have construction training. So you know your house is going to be built for 6 months, a year, whatever it might be, whether it's a new house or resale house. Defects with construction. That's something that you want to have somebody on your side to help with that understands that, okay? Again, if your realtor doesn't have that, you're putting yourself at a huge disadvantage. Most people focus on price, but they don't consider what happens when a house isn't built properly. How many hundreds or thousands of dollars will it cost them over the coming years? So this house is a fantastic luxury house from Biscayne Homes. See the sign down there, Biscayne Homes. I am at Mirada over in San Antonio, Florida. It's beautiful out here and it's a beautiful day. The air feels great. I'm loving it. So let's go inside and check out this luxury house. I only saw a little bit of the entryway. It's fantastic. I love it, and I love what's off to the left. But it's also the sales office, so I can't really show you everything. But let's go inside and have a look at this. It's a beautiful, beautiful house. So you can see that over here, this would be a garage. And over here's a garage, but it's a sales office, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so over here, you can see sales office, and down there's a bathroom. This is beautiful. I mean, look at this. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine having this? And I know I'm quiet because it's just so peaceful. Look at that. So peaceful and beautiful. And I hope that the music isn't going to be flagged on YouTube. Otherwise, this is going to have to go to music itself, or I'm going to be putting music over it, should I say? Okay, so this I haven't seen yet. This part of the house. All right, look at this kitchen. Unbelievable. Kitchen, living room, dining room, all in one, with this kind of a view. Let's go this way first. I feel like maybe I should have gone this way as soon as I walked in. Look at that bedroom. And another view of this pool. You know, the pool is really the focus point. Focal point of the house. So you got a huge master bedroom down here on the first floor. Got a bathtub in the shower. It's an enormous shower too. You can probably fit like 10 people in there. I mean, I'm kidding, but you know, a lot. Definitely there's room. Toilet in the closet, which isn't in the closet right now. There's no door on it. Who knows if there will be. Here's the closet as well. Check that out. Excellent. Another view of this fantastic bedroom with the pool view. So I'm going to try to continue on the first floor. So another bedroom. Oh, it connects right off into the other bedroom. It's really nice. So let's look at it from this angle as well. So your bathtub and your toilet and your sink, 2 sinks. So I guess depending on how you want to divide it up, meaning which bedroom you want to give to somebody, they could have a little bit more. They could have a full private bathroom. What I'm saying is anybody that takes this bedroom, that I mean, right here, if there was like a door over here then they would essentially have everything, because they'd have the shower, the toilet, and the sink, and then that room would have access to that sink as well. Oh, hi, Rich. Okay, so let's go upstairs and have a look. And I'm so glad there's nobody at this model right now. Wonderful stairs. Wow. Check that out. I'm gonna come back to this. Okay, so a closet. And what do we have here? A bedroom. Yep. So there's a beautiful place to sit. Of course, if your neighbor's house is right there, it might not be so appealing, but if you have one on a home site that gives you some kind of a view, that's something to consider. So full bath. And here's a bedroom. And then somebody came in the model, so it was perfect timing. Perfect. Now let's go down here and have a look. Yep, another place to go outside and sit. So who is this house for? Well, this house is for somebody that wants a luxury house. There's no doubt about that. There's no question about that. This is a luxury house. So if you want a luxury house where you could sit outside by the pool or see the pool from different rooms and also have a second floor outdoor space that you could go outside and sit and look, especially if there's a view, if there's a great view. I mean, something like this is amazing to have if it's a great view. So basically what I'm saying is that if somehow, the house was angled to maybe see the water or maybe see, conservation or something like that, this would be awesome. So let's go walk outside with me and the viewer so you can have a look and see it a little more. I feel like I need to do one of those crazy faces for the YouTube, whatever they call it, the cover photo for the video, so I'm going to do one. Prior to being a realtor, I purchased a house without a realtor and then with a realtor who had no construction training, no construction certification. And I can tell you that it's extremely important to have a realtor with construction certification. Here's how to get my service paid for by the builder, free to you. Please contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact a home builder first, you may lose your paid for by the builder realtor representation. If you email them, call them, text them, go to the sales office, walk the models, anything that they can match up at the time of contract, they may say you cannot use a realtor. Please don't contact the builder and ask what their policies are either, because that would be your first contact. You see how this works? When I went to purchase my first house, I was given terrible advice. Everybody told me I had to pay for a realtor, which is just not true. I had no realtor and it was terrible. From start to finish, it was exhausting. I was treated poorly at sales offices, and after I signed my contract, the salesperson basically vanished on me. It was just a terrible experience. When I purchased my second house, I knew I needed a realtor, so I started searching. I encountered top sellers who seemed impressive, but they were just high pressure sales. They were telling me to go to the builder, tell them I'm your realtor. When you pick out the house you want, contact me and I'll come down and help you. They would show me 2 homes, 3 homes, ask me which one do I want to buy. Many of them couldn't even respond properly to an email, which is much like when I help my buyers to find resale homes. Many of the realtors that are selling these homes, it's like they don't even read what you wrote. So my realtor ended up being a new realtor. He was loyal. He went with me to like 20 builders that I picked out. He wasn't selling me out to sales associates. He wasn't selling me out to other realtors. He wasn't selling me out to resale home sellers. He was no doubt on my side. So like most realtors, the realtor that I picked had no construction training, no certification. At the time, I didn't even consider it. As we went from house to house with new construction, with resales, there were times I had questions and he didn't know, or he was kind of guessing, and he would at least tell me he's just guessing. The information that I received was incorrect. I realized that home inspectors are there to look over a house and find issues with them. But let's face it, the home inspector is with you for 2 hours, 3 hours looking at the house that you're interested in buying. Your realtor is with you, if the realtor is a good realtor, for potentially 6 months, 12 months while a new construction house is being built. Your realtor is going to be the one that's going to be there with you when you're dealing with rude, obnoxious construction managers that are lying to you when the home is built incorrectly, and they just want you to just go away. They want you to just sign, say the house is okay, or it's going to be passed off the warranty, and that's it. So having a realtor without construction background is not a good idea. And if I was going to be buying a house in another state, even though I have a home inspector's license and I am trained, I would still want to find a realtor that is construction trained, because the more eyes, the better. Everybody's going to spot something different. I would even potentially hire 2 inspection companies or maybe more to look over a house. Just some quick tips. Just want you to understand that I believe in a comprehensive realtor service where I could answer and guide and look at home inspection reports and have an understanding of what's going on and how to help my buyers best. Thanks for watching this. Back to the video.